In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your identity on the Airbnb app in a step-by-step guide. Verifying your identity on Airbnb is an essential step to build trust within the community and to unlock more opportunities for seamless booking experiences. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to www.airbnb.com. It's always a good idea to ensure you're on the official website to protect your personal information. Once you're there, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your account. Enter your username and password securely, and make sure you're signed in. If you have multiple Airbnb accounts, be sure you're accessing the right one, as your verification is tied to a specific account. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the menu icon, depending on whether you're on a mobile device or a desktop. Within your profile, you'll find the Account Settings option. Click on this to proceed to the next step. Here, you're going to select Personal Information. This section is crucial as it contains all the details Airbnb uses to verify your identity. As we proceed, you need to verify your email or phone number. This is a straightforward process. Click on the option and follow the prompt. You might receive a verification code either by email or via SMS. Make sure you have access to your email account or phone to retrieve this code. Enter it into the prompt when requested, and then move on to the next step. Once you've completed these verifications, find the Identity Verification section. This typically requires uploading a government-issued ID, so be prepared with a clear, legible copy of your ID. Take a moment to ensure it meets Airbnb specified formats, avoiding any glare or blurry text, as these can cause delays. Upload your document following the on-screen instructions. This step is vital as it assures hosts and guests alike of the identity behind the profile. Following your ID upload, confirm your email and phone number if you haven't done so already. It's easy to let this slip, but double-checking ensures your profile is complete and consistent. Afterward, submit all your information and wait. Airbnb will review your submission. While waiting, it's important to be patient, as verification can take some time depending on the volume of requests. Finally, once Airbnb has verified your identity, your profile will display a verified badge next to your name. This verification process not only enhances your credibility, but also increases your chances of booking and hosting without hitches. If the process takes longer than expected, you can reach out to Airbnb support for assistance. And there you have it, a fully verified Airbnb profile at your fingertips. Happy traveling and hosting.